Exterior angle inequality theorem. The measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Exterior angle inequality theorem. Measure of angle D is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. Examples. Given. Measure of angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. Measure of angle 2 is equal to 65 degrees. Find the measure of angle 4. Solution. By exterior angle inequality theorem, measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 4. 50 degree plus 65 degrees is equal to measure of angle 4. Measure of angle 4 is equal to 115 degrees. Given. Measure of angle 2 is equal to 80 degrees. Measure of angle 4 is equal to 145 degrees. Find the measure of angle 1. Solution. By exterior angle inequality theorem, measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 4. Measure of angle 1 plus 80 degrees is equal to 145 degrees. Measure of angle 1 plus 80 minus 80 degrees is equal to 145 degree 80 degrees. By addition property of equality, measure of angle 1 is equal to 65 degrees. Find the value of x. Angle x plus angle y is equal to angle YWZ. 30 plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 6x. Combine like terms. 32 plus 4x is equal to 8 plus 6x. By addition property of equality, we have 32 minus 8 is equal to 6x minus 4x. Combine like terms. 24 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2. X is equal to 12.